Boogie woogie woogie guys, it's really hot. I mean, it's really sunny. I'm showing all of the stuff I have for group 2. Group 2 is in a vending machine right here. And all of the stuff, the biggest thing in there is $250 card, so it's a little card. Then a $500 card. Then also group 2 has an N64. And I'm about to show all the stuff group 2. So we have a Milwaukee's ball, a 2001 Milwaukee's ball, baseball.
2-run ball games.
Broken bat flare, left field, base hit. Ricky around third. Here comes the throw. Ricky fell down. And now the Cubs have runners all over the place. Fasano throws to second. Girardi in a rundown between first and second. Helton lets Girardi off the hooks. Nobody's at first. There's the tag out runner coming home. He is out. Save, save, save. Cubs win. Cubs win.
We have a BB-8 toy. I think it's a alarm clock. I thought it was cool.
Him.
Fly this thing!
Hold on.
Yu-Gi-Oh map. So for like playing cards. Narnia, the movie. King Kong, the movie.
Is that a monkey?
Halo Master Collection for Xbox One. Xbox One. You can play it on Series X too.
We're going in. Get tactical, Marines!
Sonic the Hedgehog coloring book. I bought it at the dollar store. I thought it was cool. Then we have this coughing. You get it? It's a picture. It's coughing. You get it? It's funny.
Oh no! Don't use the gas!
Then we have a folder, a Pokemon folder. I thought it was cool.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
Then we have Killzone 3. Yeah, Killzone 3 on PS3. Then we have Vin Diesel, the pacifier. That's a funny movie. Here's a scene of it.
Go over the rules, cue ball. Huh?
Rule number 1, never be too eager to rush your opponent.
Want to play prison rules, Frogman? Want to play prison rules? You got it. I'll be your daddy. All right, now you've unlocked the beast.
From this position, it's relatively easy to manipulate your opponent. Thus, we have the chicken wing.
Here we have Chickmunks. I already won this when I had the machine at my house. It's at the Tucson Mall now. The Chipmunks, one of the movies.
The Chipmunks were on top of the world.
Alvin, take it easy out there.
Sorry, Dave. I can't hear you over the thousands of fans screaming my name.
Until it all came crashing down.
Hey, look out!
I thought this was cool. I bought this for a couple of dollars. Bowling pin. It lights up green in the dark. Like books, like little books about NBA, MLB, the players. So that's cool.
New video opening up a Major League Baseball Collectabooks Premier Edition. You get 12 superstars in here, and it's from 1990. Looks like the original seal. I'm just gonna ever so gently cut it open, trying not to damage the cards. And there we go. Looks like you get some books.
They're like little books inside. It's for like $5, whatever it is.
It's baseball's Midsummer Classic. The game's brightest stars from the American and National Leagues come out for the All-Star Game, July 11th on ABC Sports.
Iron Man card, an Iron Man card. Thought it was cool, so I bought it.
With no political will or international pressure, there's very little hope for these refugees. Around me, a woman begging for news on her husband who was kidnapped by insurgents, either forced to join their militia, holding them up to anyone who will stop. A child's simple question, where are my mother and father? There's very little hope for these refugees. Refugees who can only wonder who, if anyone, will help.
Pokemon again, like a couple videos before. Put the screen here.
Too slippery! That felt like a windmill. Huh? Hey, what's gotten into Chikorita?
I think Chikorita's being overprotective because it has a sort of crush on Ash.
What? What sort of crush? Hey, quit it! Cut it out, Chikorita! Ash!
Metal, magnet, and Boba Fett.
Back to the ship. Back to the ship.
Marvel's Wonder Man. Wonder Man, never heard of him, but I thought it was cool.
Now hex my attack.
Wind.
I warned you, dear Simon. The world goes a little bit crazy. Oh, I'm never sure what will happen.
Okay, that's why I need to help you practice your control. Got you covered, Hawk.
So that's all this stuff, and then we have an N64. And Group 2 machine. And let me show you the $500 card. So this is the Boba card. I write the stuff on it, then you can win it on the vending machine.
Who's that Pokemon?
I've assembled all 5 special cards, all 5 pieces of the puzzle. Exodia, obliterate!